Good evening all. So this is Manoj Deva. I am teaching here entrepreneurship. As an activity, we are doing a PowerPoint presentation on beverages, especially beverages. So in that segment, we already conducted a preliminary scrutiny on Thursday. So today we are going to conduct a final. As a judges, we invited Dr. Harika ma'am from the Department of Economy and Pochaya sir from Department of English. So it's my privilege to have you here, sir. So we are very happy and delightful. And also we have four major constraints about this presentation. So in that we consider about the concept of your idea. So it takes 10 marks. And also content of your slide. What are the content which you included in that slide? They are giving you 10 marks for that. So communication skills of that presenter, particularly the presenter who are there in this here. So that is 10 marks, and confidence of that presenter. So it takes 10 marks. Okay. So totally they are giving you 40 marks, and also they give you remarks if at all necessary. Okay. So I hope all the best for you. So we'll start.
Hello everyone. My name is Kamal Surya. Here I am saying about my small idea, that is Nature Lover Cave. Here is the logo, and I am the CEO of that Nature Lover Cave, and team members are Vadige Devasri Lavanya, Financial Manager, and Sandhya Chokoti, Retail Manager, Nakka Sudharani, Marketing Manager. And this is the introduction. Generally, so many members having want to feel nature, so I am telling about some introductions. Generally, people addicted to coffee and tea, but they are enjoying very artificial spaces, like for example, coffee days, cave coffee days, etc. But for a child, we are introducing very cool and green nature, that is nature ambiences, and we are planning to start our company or a cave at schools, hotels, hospitals, and near to every places. I am promising that there is no sound pollution because I am constructing a soundproof cave, so people are peacefully enjoying that places. Okay, then we provides novels and magazines are providing for reading, and playing things like puzzles and Rubik's Cube are provided for play, giving free short film space for students, and self-tabling. Customers are used to providing on the time pass while they are using the cave. Generally, if people are coming to caves, they are freely having coffee and sitting normally now. So then I have an idea to change that. We are providing some cubes and playing things. If we are taking any coffee and we are playing that, the time class will be more. Then I am giving a free short film space for students, because if your students are taking in short films or something else, there is a one plus point to us, because there is a free promotions. So then the cave interior will be like this. The cave having full much of glass flooring, glass mat flooring, and flowers of the cotton. More flowers and plants will be accepting more oxygen. So we are planning like this. We are introducing self-tabling. So generally, some people are went for gardens for to sleep in the floor. So if somebody can't sleep, means if stomach pain or sorry back pains or this, we are also providing that the tables and chairs to them. And then this is types of mugs. Generally, we are attracting people for choosing like a cups and some. Generally, teens are addicted to DC Marvel comics, and teens are like very cartoons and that. So we are for teens, we are inventing that logo with Marvel and DC comics, and for kids, we are introducing with cartoons and these also. And formal cups will be like this. We can serve all this in a plate and obediently order. And then this is the menu part. Beverages and desserts. There are so many.
Last 1 minute.
So many of them, but we are customized it because some of the people who wanted to customize only wanted some ingredient items, so we have to customize it them. And this is a flower wheel. Generally, we are known about only 10 or 15 types of teas and coffees. So these are the coffee wheels on tea wheels. According to taste and aromas, we can create many of coffees and teas. It's more than 100 of coffees and teas. And our strength is new refreshment idea with greenery, and weakness is maintaining cost is maybe high, maintenance cost only, and opportunity is free promotion and attraction people. And threats are initial competitions and minute risk. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Myself Renuka Kavalpudi. Here I would like to share my business idea. Here is the logo of our business, Friendscape. Embrace yourself. Here is the team members of our business, Mr. K. John Emmanuel, CEO, Chief Executive of Friendscape, and Rekha Lakshmi, HR Manager, Sumitra, Financial Manager, and Lakshmi Bai, Marketing Manager. Now I would like to
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to introduce my cafe, that is Friends Cafe. First of all, I would like to tell what are the beverages we provide. The best thing is that we provide quality and also customization of drinks. So, first thing we provide is cool drinks that are manufactured by Coca-Cola, Thums Up, and all other cool drinks, which we can serve according to your taste and preferences, depending on your customization. And next, milkshakes. Many people love milkshakes, and they need some milkshakes to be customized, like they want some nuts and cherries. So we can customize according to their taste. And all types of coffees available, like cappuccinos and mochas, etc. And all types of teas like ginger lemon tea, ginger tea, green tea, and other types of tea, milk items. And the new item is that coconut juice. It is now becoming one of the most welcoming drink in Andhra. So we would like to make it to a new level. So we are introducing coconut juice to this cafe, and then fruit juices. Everybody loves fruit juices. So we would like to introduce as many as fruit juices as possible, and mocktails. So not only beverages, we would like to expand our business to some other snacks, like where every vegan and non-vegetarian can come and have some food and also some snacks. So we are providing veg and non-veg samosas, like chicken and prawn noodle samosa and some other samosas. And next, pav bhaji, which is very famous in Maharashtra. So we would like some people love pav bhaji because of the gravy we provide. So we would like to introduce pav bhaji to this. And then pani puri. Most of the girls and youth love pani puri. Though it tastes little different, but yeah, people choose to eat pani puri. And coming to ice creams, it can be served as a dessert and also a snack. Many people now think, considering teenagers, most of the teenagers spend their time in ice cream cafes. And like mirchi bhajis and momos are also available. Starters, like some people prefer to have starters with drinks and mocktails, so we are providing these starters. And special features of my cafe is our cafe is that drops available for drinks like tea and coffee. Many people don't drink the whole tea; it costs around 15 to 20 rupees. But we provide drops like half of the cup with reasonable price. And next special drink of the day, which we give 20% discount to the drink. So we fix a drink and we provide 20% discount on that day, on that specific day. And Saturday special, we would like to give when they buy 3 drinks, we give 1 for free, so that we get free marketing and also consumer loyalty. And customization available for almost every item. We provide almost like even for starters we provide customization. Like when you have 2 people, we give you which is enough for 2 people.
Last 30 seconds.
QR code for menu card. Many people, due to this pandemic, many people don't like to read the menu card now. So we are introducing the QR code. Next, place is near colleges and populated areas. Target audience is students and employees. Investment is about 4 to 6 lakhs for machinery and 4 lakhs for the rent and so on. Our expected income is 5,000 per day, as tea time is giving 4,000, earning 4,000 per day. Strengths, these are our strengths, 24/7 working for tea and coffee.
Time's up. Yeah, just conclude.
I want to conclude that every vegetarian and non-vegetarian can have beverages, snacks and starters for during their work times within the expected time. So thank you.
Hello guys, afternoon session. Feeling bored? Shall we go for a drive?
Yes.
I have a beautiful drive designed by myself. Come on, join with me. I'm inviting you out to the world of imagination. The slide one please. Tea lovers, this is a startup born from the idea of 4 friends. Myself, C.H. Navin Lal, and I would like to introduce my partners and my friends, Ms. Vani, Vinaya and Priya. The next slide. Tea truck, it is a movable truck which brings earnings and promotion at the same time. Tea lovers is a place that serves as mood changer, refresher, relaxer and chit chatter. Our target and motive behind the truck design is completely innovative and new and attractive. Coming to the exterior design, the pictures of local tourist spots will be placed on the truck to create a local feel. And it will be head-turning exterior pics while going on the road. Yes, of course, it's a movable truck. It can be movable to anywhere easily. Music, sound system will be built in the truck itself for the customers to enjoy the pleasant music along with a cup of tea. Interior design, a clear menu is displayed and the best-in-class kitchen. Coming to the menu. Tea lovers is the world of teas. All different varieties of teas available with the real taste. We all know the combinations of tea. Combinations like tea plus samosa, the yummy combination. Tea plus biscuit, the perfect combination. So we would like to put the different varieties of samosas and biscuits will be available in the menu. Coming to the style of serving. The style of serving is very important to gain the hearts of the customers. We here plan to serve in a very traditional way. The tea will be served in the mud cups, the samosa and the biscuits will be served in the bamboo bowls. Is this sufficient to attract the customers and make them visit our tea truck? No, I don't think so. Some more attraction is needed. Here is that attraction, selfie booth, a specially designed selfie booth placed near the track. We all have the habit of taking a selfie wherever we go to store the moment forever. Keeping it in mind, we moved this selfie booth and we are believing this will be the best attraction. Planning behind the T track. Lowest investment, not more than the 5 lakhs. Can be placed at the crowded places and at the events also, which will notable to the people in a very short time. What next? After 1 year, grand opening of Tea House Cave. The Tea House Cave will be opened in a very potential area. By the experience and the observation in the 1 year, by running the truck, mobile truck in the areas, different areas, it will be very easy for our to find and suit the best area to establish this cave. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity to showcase our presentation. Oh, wait. Someone is asking me a question. Hey, why haven't you started this cave directly? First truck and then now cave. Why? With no loss in our business. Even if we started the cave, this movable truck will be continued and will act as a safe source to earn the profits and as the promotion also. Due to lack of publicity and sticking to the one single source, many caves are in loss and turning and remodeling into the restaurants and hotels. So we don't want to pinch our pockets and fire our hands. This Tea House is a safe plan for the best profits. Tea House. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, myself Sai Lakshmi Shekhar. I am here to present our business idea. That is Caffeine. The coffee cafe name is Caffeine and the tagline is Impresso and Espresso. The tagline is Impresso means the persons who will visit our cafe, they'll impress with our service, and the Espresso means they'll express their feelings and the feedback. And the next one is happiness is a cup of coffee and a good book. Next one is I wanted to introduce our team members. Myself Sai Lakshmi, Chief Executive Officer, and G. Sridevi, she is the HR Manager, and S. Kavya, she is Financial Manager, and Y. Prasanna Kumar, Marketing Manager. And the location of our place is near to beach because nowadays people are, and youth maybe, some people are disturbed and some people are depressed, so they wanted to visit the beaches and they wanted to have a pleasant atmosphere, so we want to create that. So the location of our place is near beach, and the targeters and the targeted customers are youth and book lovers because we wanted to provide a number of books which they can easily read and they have a pleasant atmosphere there. And the competitors are other tea and coffee caves. Almost every business have their competitors. So, and the next slide is Caffeine offers. What we offer means we offer the pleasant music there, and there will be a beach view from that, and number of books will be available there, and also the price will be the reasonable. In business we have to start the prices in the low prices, and then next we have to raise, and next what we provide free Wi-Fi is everywhere is there because and the persons all are using Android mobiles and they need Wi-Fi, so Wi-Fi will provide membership benefits. What does this mean? The persons who will visit our cafe for 2 or 3 times in a week, they can have a membership benefits. For that they have some benefits and all. Segregation means the youth and the old are like not old. Any people which are not youth, they can have the separate place in that. So segregation is there. And pleasant interior. The interior will be like very pleasantly. And next weekend offers. Almost Saturday, Sundays are very because they're very busy. The beach will be very busy, so weekend offers will be there. And next menu card of ours. So we will provide coffees, teas, milkshakes, and some snacks. So these are coffees, teas, milkshakes, and snacks. So all are these. And next slide. Our mission objectives of Caffeine is our mission is to provide a unique and relaxed cave experience. The people who will come into our cave, they should be relaxed, and providing menu items incorporating quality ingredients at reasonable prices. and also treating our customers and staff with dignity and respect. Every people or every human being needs some respect and some respect, so we give that. And also the next one is guiding principles. Being mindful to our customers and our staff, we will treat both customers and staff in a manner which we treat ourselves. And next, gratitude to show our customers and employees, of course, will show that. And our service provides a warm and friendly service. The service will be very friendly and very meanly. So this is the SWOT analysis. What are the strengths of our cafe is one of a kind. So I don't think there is a cafe like this in Kakinada. So we wanted to be one of kind. And pleasant atmosphere. There will be a pleasant atmosphere and stage difference of old. So I already said you all people, segregation is there in that. Weakness, limited people. The beach lovers will be won't come regularly, but the people will come. They will stay there. And new cafes and new coffee shops. Almost all coffee shops are competitors, so that's the weakness. Opportunities provide great customer service. Create a trendy and relaxing atmosphere. So we'll create a pleasant atmosphere which we have. A pleasant
Last
music
1 minute.
And the budget of our the cafe is 10 lakhs. We are planning to be done in this 10 lakhs. So this is the, and I hope each and everyone like this cafe business idea. This is not only my idea, my team members. Without them, I can't do anything. So thank you for being an amazing team, and thank you Manoj sir for giving this opportunity, and thank you so much sir. Thank you.
Give me encouragement, and my sincere thanks to our HOD sir and all my colleagues who support and give me a lot of support always. So recently we conducted a future entrepreneur competition related to beverages. So all the participants done a tremendous job. So they given a lot of innovative ideas with a lot of creativity. So today also you can see that on YouTube. Today I am going to post on that. So actually all these business concepts are ready to take off projects if investors are interested. And it is a healthy competition. All concepts of beverages is excellent. The difference between a winner and runner is only 0.5 marks. Okay? So definitely the result does not define your creativity. Each and everyone are entirely different, unique. So it's just a token of encouragement. Now it's time to our beloved special officer, Dr. M. Kamal Kumari ma'am. First time she came to our classroom. So give her a all team members will receive certificate of participation, and winners will get a certificate of appreciation. So ma'am, just a few words about this.
Good afternoon, all of you. Mainly what I observed in any college is, out of all the departments, MBA department is very dynamic and active. The same you have proved here also. And good thing about your classes, I see more number of girls. And as your sir has told, it doesn't define or mean that the winners will always win. The main thing is creating or this sort of programs which are innovative to improve your skills is more appreciated and welcome all the time. And whoever are winners here, I congratulate all of them. The next time those are participated in this event, you can get a chance to win the next time. I appreciate the department and Manoj Deva for organizing this kind of events.
kind of appreciation. The difference between a runner and winner is just 0.5 marks. Okay, that is given by Harika ma'am and Pojay sir based on their impressions, and they given some remarks about that. So the winning team is Caffeine team.